This chart shows a perfect setup for a breakout trader. Watch the price surge past resistance. Retail traders rush in to buy, tucking stop-loss orders tightly underneath. Then, the market reverses. A massive red candle crashes down, wiping out the late buyers. Most traders brush this off as random market noise or a sudden string of bad luck. But the timing is calculated. Large financial players rely on predictably placed retail orders to execute their own moves. Banks and hedge funds trade in billions. Their core logistical problem is size. If an institution simply buys massive quantities of currency at market price, they will drive the price so high, so fast, that they ruin their own entry. To buy huge positions, institutions need a massive concentration of willing sellers. They find this in pools of liquidity, clusters of stop-loss and breakout orders resting neatly above old highs and below old lows. To fill their orders quietly, market makers drive the price into those specific zones. By triggering your stop-loss, which forces you to sell your position, they secure the exact supply they need to buy in at scale. This engineered sweep is known as a stop hunt. It dates back to the physical trading pits, where market makers absorbed panicked retail flow, and today it executes via automated algorithms at lightning speed. Surviving in these markets requires a shift in perspective. You have to stop offering your capital as liquidity for banks and learn to spot the moments they set these traps. Let's look at this chart through an institutional lens. By removing the retail lines, we track the ICT Turtle Soup strategy. Step 1 is identifying the target. We look for a clear peak holding liquidity, like the previous day's high, or PDH. Next, the lure. Price grinds upward, enticing traders to place buy stops above the peak. Then, the trap springs.
Market makers push price past the high, triggering those stops. This surge of buying allows institutions to instantly offload massive sell orders. The initial sweep alone is a trap, not an entry signal. A true institutional reversal requires concrete proof that the big money has taken full control of the direction. We confirm their presence by waiting for a market structure shift. The underlying buying pressure must completely break down. After sweeping the high, price crashes down, breaking below the recent swing low. This institutional displacement leaves behind an imbalance, a 3-candle empty space called a fair value gap. Wait for price to pull back into that gap to secure a highly precise entry. Your stop loss goes right above the absolute highest point of the initial sweep. From there, you target an opposing pool of liquidity at the bottom of the chart, aiming for a 3-to-1 reward ratio. By waiting for the structure to shift and the gap to form, the trade moves from a prediction about where a trend might end to a reaction based on where volume has already shifted. But executing this pattern mechanically every time you see it will drain your account. Context dictates whether the setup holds. This dual pane chart shows why higher timeframe alignment is mandatory. A 15-minute bearish sweep has a significantly higher probability of success when the daily or 4-hour chart is already in a clear downtrend. The other filter is time. Institutions are most active during specific windows known as kill zones, specifically the London and New York market opens. When a liquidity sweep occurs during these hours, it is backed by genuine banking volume, making the subsequent reversal more reliable. A technical pattern forming in a dead session or against the daily trend is likely just another trap. Trading this strategy requires you to abandon the emotional urge to buy the breakout. You have to think patiently about where the crowd is hiding their capital. Once you identify resting liquidity, you can observe a false breakout unfold, looking for structural evidence of a reversal before committing capital. Capitalizing on these fleeting, high-precision structural shifts requires an environment with zero latency and high-resolution charting. FXNX provides that edge. With fast execution, zero pip spreads, and advanced tools, you can pinpoint fair value gaps and execute when the setup confirms. Stop offering yourself as market liquidity. Open an NX1 demo account today and start trading with institutional clarity.